Hello everyone. In today's video, I am going to share tasty, sweet and sour healthy drink which is made up of Kokum Rinds. Moreover, I am also sharing what Ayurveda and Modern Science says about Kokum. So, let us start. According to Ayurveda, it is dry, light and hot in potency. It improves taste, stimulates digestive fire and acts as appetizer. It cures morbid thirst, abdominal diseases, heart ailments, ulcer and piles. It activates liver and is constipating. It is used to kill microbes and used in worm infestation. It balances Vata and Kapha dosha and aggregate Pitta dosha, but it cures bloody stools. According to modern science, it is rich in phytochemicals such as hydroxytric acid, color pigments, and phenolic compounds, all of which make this species promoting in food and pharma industry. It has anti-obesity, anti-arthritic, anti-inflammatory, anti-aging, anti-ulcer, anti-depressant, antimicrobial and anti-proliferative activity. It has hepatoprotective, cardioprotective and anxiolytic activity. Moreover, it is useful in gastritis. Moreover, it has maximum pigment content than cranberry, raspberry, blackberry and blackcurrants. Hopefully this recipe and information will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching.